So guys, now we're going to install our new brake pads. These are Brembo and Sinter. I often use these types of Brembo pads because I have them on my own Beamer, my own GS. These have a very linear braking capacity. Hopefully that's the right word. It means squeezing your brake handle a bit results in a bit of braking power. And the more you squeeze, the more braking power you get. So on my own Beamer I had the original BMW brake pads. Me and my wife always bounced helmets while she was always on the rear of the bike. And I started wondering why that was, and it was because during a ride I was braking a bit, squeezing the handle just a tiny bit, which resulted in a tiny bit braking, and then squeezing it just a bit harder resulted in much more braking that I actually expected. So it was not the linear, but it was, yeah, not linear. It went like that. Then I changed them for these brake pads, and that problem was solved. And I installed them on my son, his S1000R, and he's very happy with it. On my daughter-in-law, her F800 GT. You can find those bikes, what I did to them on maintenance and so on, in the playlist. Just look at my channel, press the button playlist, and there you see the S1000R, the F800 GT and so on. So we're gonna mount these. Is that easy? Absolute. Can you do it? More than sure. First, we need scissors, I think. Oh no! And of course we got the manual. Okay, but do it with my video. Brake pad 1, brake pad 2. The first thing I'm gonna do, always to make sure they start to wear even, is to file off the edges around here. That's easy with a file. Okay. Wait a minute. Do it like this. Zoom in a bit for you. Yep. Check it carefully. Okay, one done, one to go. So doing this is very important for floating calipers. These are floating calipers, and they tend, when you don't do this, your brake pads are not going to wear even. Hop. Okay. Before we're going to install the brake pads, we're going to do a tiny smear of copper grease on especially that side, that and a bit over here. It prevents them from squeaking. So let's do that first. Watch. This one comes over here, so it needs 2 tiny dabs over there. A bit here, oh, and a bit there. Hop, then this one, and this one too, just a bit, makes it nice, slippery. Okay, oh. Make sure. So that's one. Then we have the other one, and it has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So comes in like this. Even kijken. Yep. So it needs just a bit in the middle, a bit over there, and a bit, oops, over there. Just as you see, I'm not using much. Just a smear, that's enough. I see people putting dabs of copper grease onto it, which is not good. Up, up. Okay. See now. Even kijken. Dit was. Yep. Oh wait. There. And there. Okay. Now. Then we got the sliding pin. I nicely sanded it. Then we do also just tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. It's more than enough. So, and of course this one is going in. Okay, now place it on a clean piece of paper. Get all your stuff out of the way. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, huh? There and there. Okay. Now this is not difficult. First, we're gonna put in this one. Comes over here and slides in onto there. Okay. So then his brother goes over there. Goes over there. Keep them apart. Okay. Then we take a guiding pin. Oh, oops. Now just push it a bit. See? Oh, it's so easy. Then okay. Let's see, is that far enough? Nope. Take something like this and then push the sliding pin back in. Hop. Yes. You see the hole here. Be sure they are. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in again. With a screwdriver, push them out, and over there. Okay. We're gonna zoom in a bit further. Hopefully it's visible. Over there is that hole. sliding pin, guiding pin, sliding pin, pin. Then we got the split spring blocking hairpin thing. Ting, ting, ting. Oh, now we're gonna put it up. Great. Now, again, push them out as far as possible. Okay, then. Okay, now we have our two bolts. Okay, slide the caliper onto the disc. So the caliper needs to be torqued with 50 Newton meters. It's a socket of 13 mil. Up. Let me set it to 50. Okay. Up. Okay. Torqued, and then check, then this one, yep, and it goes over there, yes. Tight. Then for one or the other reason I don't like that cable like this, so what we're gonna do is get an yeah, that's better. So it's just free around here. This, yeah, a tie wrap there. Yeah. What we're gonna do over there, and then let's see, I need a bit over there. Okay, yep, I think this is much better. Now we got, oh, be sure to have this special washer. Okay. Tight, but not too tight. Give it a check. This one, a minute, white, a little bit up. This one we're gonna put over there, and this one to there. Nice. Goes in and out. This is a fixed point. This, okay. Yes. Then checked. Oh, checked. Now we're going to fill the system with brake fluid. That's easy too. Come on over.